haven't filmed in so long, I think that I forgot how. What is up, you guys? It's Alex. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome and thanks so much for joining. Today I have such an awesome video for you guys. About a week and a half ago, my friend asked me to help her make an outfit for this project that she's working on, and I was like, of course I will definitely help you. And today I'm finally getting around to doing it, and I'm bringing you guys along to do that. So if you've clicked on the video, obviously you know what we're doing, but we're bleaching clothes, like on purpose, for fun. So I've never done this. I definitely did do some research, but everybody kind of does it differently, so I'm just gonna do it my way, and hopefully it works out. And if not, then Bindy, I'm so sorry, and I will buy you another outfit, I guess. I don't know, we'll see. It's gonna be amazing. So without further ado, let's get into this video, bleaching up some clothes. Okay, so here's everything that I'm going to use for this project. I have pants and shirts, bleach. It says Chloralin, but hopefully it's just normal bleach. I don't know. Walgreens didn't have Clorox. I have some tape. You should probably use duct tape, but I forgot to pick some up, and this is all I have at my house, so hopefully that works out. I have some plastic bags for the floor. I have a mask for when I put the bleach on. I don't want to be inhaling it a bunch. And I've got some gloves. I've also got a spray bottle for some water, and that's it. Okay, also, I'm wearing just a regular white button-down shirt, so that if I get bleach on it, it's not a big deal, and I've just got some shorts on that I don't care if they get bleached up. So if you're gonna do this, then make sure that you're wearing clothes that if you get bleach on them, it's not a big deal. Like, don't wear your nicest stuff, just kind of wear your, I don't know, gym clothes.
Alrighty, so the first step is to just go ahead and lay out some plastic bags to protect the floor.
And we're ready for action.
So right here, I just decided to tape down the middle seam of the pant to protect it, and then I'm going to spray it with water till it's damp so I can get ready to put the bleach on it. I should have used a sponge in the beginning, but I didn't.
So I'm going to use this sponge and like douse it in bleach and then like dab it across. Hopefully that works. If not, I don't know.
Once I decided to start using the sponge, it worked so much better. I could put the bleach on more even. Also, the smell in here was so bad. Like, I had to open my windows and my front door. But I'm just like patching the bleach all over, and I'll kind of make it a little more even, but just did the front and the back, and it worked so quickly. Like, I did not have to leave this bleach on very quickly, and you can see it like started out orange, but then it went more white, but now I'm gonna make it more even.
Okay, so here's the pant leg that's all bleached up, front and back. I'm going to rinse it off in the sink, and then hopefully like I can do it again to get it more even. And yeah, this bleach is so strong, like my eyes are watering. I opened all the windows and my front door, and it's still like really strong, so I'm glad I put the mask on because yikes, it's super toxic smelling. Okay, so I've just finished rinsed out these pants, and you can see like it's not even. So I put bleach in here, and then I just put a little bit of water, so it's mostly bleach, and then I'm just gonna like dip the pants in there, the pants leg, and kind of like submerge them, and then leave them in there for about 10 minutes, and hopefully it kind of evens it out. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, and this is looking so much more even, and I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this stopper here. Nice. And then just rinse this whole thing out, and then I'll have to throw it in the washing machine. It's not like white, but it's not like that gold brown that it was before, so hopefully this looks amazing. But I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse this thoroughly all the way.
Okay, so for the shirt, I'm gonna do the exact same thing, but I'm doing alternating sides. So put the tape and then spray and bleach.
Okay, so don't mind my sweaty face, but I just finished the jacket, like the same thing. I put the bleach on, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then rinsed it out. And because I wanted the jacket more like splotchy looking, I didn't like soak it in bleach water like I did for the pants. And so now I just put them in the washing machine, and I'm just gonna wash them by themselves after like I rinsed it out and made sure like there was no like color coming out of them, I guess. So that means like most of the bleach is done. So hopefully this works out. I kind of put it in the sun a little bit so it could dry just a tiny bit. And then hopefully this will, it'll keep the color and like won't bleach the whole thing. I'm so nervous. But anyways, I'm gonna run it through the washing machine and then put it in the dryer and then come back and show you guys the final product. So much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more content. Make sure and click the notification bell so that you know when I post a new video, which is not very often, but it's fine. You'll still get a notification. If you have any questions or comments, you can go ahead and drop them down below in the comment section, or you can hit me up on social media at Sparkling Alex. Oh, actually, I will tag Bindy on the pictures once the outfit is done and we are together and she can wear it and everything like that. And so you guys can see the final products like on a person. Check out my other videos if you haven't done that. They're pretty cool, you know, just saying so myself. Yeah, if you make any of my DIYs or like try any of my videos, make sure and tag me. And I think that's all. I'm going to stop rambling because I really can't think of anything else to say. So I hope you guys have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!